Gotta put some insulation on that. This we gotta move to the bathroom.
Tak, jest do samego końca. Nie mogę, bo jest za długa. Jest za 5-6 inches, jest za długi pipe.
End cup here. This over here, we need the corner piece. Once we get the corner, we'll cut this down. End cap here. Corner. Your house needs an end cap. This we need one more support here, and an end cap here, and an end cap there.